So in this Fiverr.com tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get paid by bank transfer on the Fiverr.com website here. So once Fiverr.com's opened up, go to the top right, and I want you to go ahead and switch from a buyer's profile to a seller's profile. So just press become a seller right here, then press create profile. And if you haven't created a profile, you have to sign up for one. If you have, which in my case I have, you'll be brought to this screen right here. So once you're on the seller's page, go to my business and then press on earnings. And then where it says add a payout method, select that. And because you want to get paid via bank transfer, go ahead and select bank transfer. You can also go ahead and choose your currency. So if you wanted to get paid in USD or CAD, whatever the case may be. And if this looks good, go to the bottom and press continue. It's not working for me at the moment. There is an error, probably because I don't have any money in my account. But once again, add payout method. Make sure that bank transfer is selected. Choose your currency. And then press continue to proceed with the steps that way and get paid out via bank transfer. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to get paid by bank transfer on Fiverr. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.